Miriam, what are you doing?
I'm doing away. Super good.
Oh, what's that?
I know.
You don't know?
It's so
He's like a
bright.
slime, yeah?
You like it in honey. You
Mm-hmm.
like it in bunny.
Yes.
We're making a sandcastle. Make a sandcastle.
Okay. Wow.
Put it back. Put it. Back.
That's so funny.
Put it
Aw.
back. Put it back.
Okay, put it back. Okay. What do you call this? What's his name? What is this? What's his name? You don't know?
I know.
He's like a slime. Sandy slime. Look. Wow.
Oh, good.
It is.
I'm making a sandcastle. This one is so bright. It's so good. I'm doing that.
Okay.
Okay. Like a sandcastle.
Sandcastle. I don't know. Let's try. Can you do one? Oh, it's so cool to touch. It's dry. Very dry, but it's dry, but it looks like it's got water in it. I don't know. See? Looks like it's wet, but it's not. It's so good. Look, and then you make a ball.
Making a sandcastle.